In this video, I'll show you how to save Google Form responses as a PDF. Now, there are a couple of ways you can do that. I'm going to show you a few of them. It will depend though on what data you've got. But first, you need to go to Google Forms and open up the form you need to save your responses for. I'm going to use this form here as an example. So now you need to go to responses, and I've only got 2 responses on this form. This is obviously going to differ depending on how many responses you've got and what kind of data you want to save. So first we've got the summary. This is going to show you who's responded, what their answers to the questions are, and you can see here how many people have responded and so on. If you wanted to just print the summary, go to the 3 dots in the top right, then click print all responses, and it will print all different responses here on each individual page. So all of the responses should be on a new page. Now again, if you have different data to me, you might have a pie chart here as a summary. It just depends on the data that you're working with. You can also go to question and filter by question that way. So if you go to more, you can then go to print. And also if you go to individual, you can print an individual's answers to the questions. So this is one entry, this is one individual. If we go to the next response, this will be another individual. And you can print off individual people's responses, right? Another way that you can visualize the data and print it, if you go ahead and connect a Google Sheet, so as you can see, I've got my Google Sheets connected, you can then view it inside of Sheets, and you can then go File, Download, PDF, and you'll be able to download the responses, including the timestamp that they have completed those responses in kind of like a PDF format. So those are some ways that you can download the data. Try it with yours, see what works best for you. I hope that video did help you out.